Hello everybody, thank you all for watching the new episode of How to DIY to the 2000 subscribers special giveaway. I want to celebrate with you guys a special moment in my channel life that we have reached 2000 subscribers, and I want to give away this Wltoys K989. This is my best buy of 2018 and survived all my abuse, and I know that you're gonna enjoy this for a very long time. But of course there are a few rules to enter this giveaway, and rule number 1 is you need to be a subscriber, of course, that's pretty normal, and your subscription should be visible to the public so I can be able to check if you're really a subscriber. The second rule is that you have to leave a comment with a related keyword down below. And in each video for the 4 upcoming weeks, because every week we're gonna pick one subscriber that has commented the most with a related keyword and is a real subscriber, and his name will go in a jar, and after 4 weeks we should have 4 different names. But we are going to pick one winner from, and this is an international giveaway so everybody can enter. And rule number 4, if anything goes wrong during shipping or any other way with this giveaway, I am not to blame, and any extra cost or duty are for the winner. So those are the rules that I need to make from YouTube to protect myself a little bit. I hope you still like to enter this giveaway, and I'm looking forward to all your comments. And I wish you good luck to all. May the best man win, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye, and keep on subscribing.